Everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I have a couple of things to share with you. Really big haul. I'm going to go ahead and get into it. The first is I broke down and I bought the My Favorite Things kit. I didn't think I was going to buy it, but man, I liked it too much to say no to it. So it came packaged in some pink tissue paper, which I'm going to save because you never know when you need tissue paper. It comes in this bag, but I'm going to take it out because I don't have a lot of room. I have so much stuff up here. So basically, it is just, it's called the Something Sweet card kit, and it is this candy theme. And I have this other candy theme box that I had gotten from Tonic, and so I just need to pull out all the candy and just do some candy and, you know, see what I can see. But it comes with a bunch of cardstock as part of the kit. And then you have this, which makes your big cotton candy or whatever you want it to be. It could be a giant ice cream cone, I don't know, but it's really, you know, it could be any of those things. And then you have this one, which makes all of your candies. It's a die. And then you have this really great stamp set, which has all of these really great fonts and sentiments for all your candy. And then this really pretty kind of, you know, blended cardstock. What do you call that? There's a name, ombre, I guess. Cardstock. So, not really cardstock. It's actually like, you know, pattern paper. So it's really pretty. I just love the color palette. So I just kind of broke down and got it. And, you know, I just need more time to craft. There's never enough time now that I'm back at work, and my craft room is messy again, so I've got to spend a few minutes and kind of clean it up. But it helps to do these so I could just put things away. All right. The next thing is Hello Bluebird. I haven't bought anything from Hello Bluebird in a while. They have a free gift. If you spend $100, you got their strawberry stamp set, and I'm going to show you guys that in a second. Move this over a little bit. So I just adored this stuff, and it's just so cute. This one is called Bloomin' Happy, and what's really nice about theirs is their dies are really inexpensive. So I think they're really inexpensive myself. I don't know how they do it. I think this is the one that goes with it. They're not labeled, but this looks like that mushroom is that. So I think that goes with that. I also got this one right here. I always buy all the reading things, even though I just don't have time to do it. I read so much. I'm a huge reader. I have an Instagram, but I have not been posting. I need to get into posting again because I actually have like a few people follow me and I don't even post anything. But I think there's a lot of people who are readers, and so I got this because it's just so cute. It's called Page Turner, and like I said, I get all of the reading things. It's just like my jam. And then I think I got the die for that, which is this one right here. And then this stamp set right here, I believe, was the freebie. So if you spent $100, you got this sweet strawberries, and it makes a layered strawberry. And then I went ahead and I bought the die. And then a couple other things I got this one, which is special delivery. And then this one right here, I mean, it's got some fall sort of motifs in there, but I really liked that zigzag, you know, and I thought that was cute. So I did get those, and that is something I need to work on putting away. Okay, so then let's get into, I guess we'll do the stamp market. So the stamp market had a humongous clearance, like insane clearance. And I didn't buy everything, but just thinking about everything. So it is just insane. I swear that there was a thing in here that told me how much everything was, but you know. Everything was either $5 or $10. I believe the bundles that are in here were $10. Oh, here it is. This is my, I'll tell you how much everything is from the stamp market, because it's just crazy. I think it's the bundles were $10, and I think everything else might have been $5. So I think everything else is $5 except for bundles. So I got this slim line, this diagonal strips slim line. So I did get that. And then I I got this one right here, which is the Heart Happy cover. And then I got this one, which is a banners die. And this one is called Made with Love Tags. So I think, I don't know if it does a perforation, but it does these tags, I don't know, that you can layer up to if you want to, but $5. And then this one, which is a jumbo tag, so it's a little bit wider of a tag, but also comes with all these sentiments. Congrats, hello, hey friend, for you, happy birthday. So, you know, $5. And then clipboard cuties. I want to see here what we got here. This one is mini somethings, and then here's the mini somethings die. So I think those two together are like $10, I think is how it kind of worked. With these different, I kind of want to try to keep things together. So here's clipboard cuties and the stamp set. So here's the die, and it makes a clipboard, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to have to play with it and see how it comes out. But it comes with this other stamp set. That's clipboard cuties. And then, you know, just trying to keep things together here. Oh My Stars. That was $5. I broke down and got this. I thought, God, do I really need that? But I just love it. And I think it feels very, what do I think of? Crepe paper, you know, American Crafts. So I just got that. So, Fruitful Harvest and the dies. So, this makes grapes and some kind of berries, and I don't know, but it's a very like more sort of stylistic and modern take on the fruit, so it's a little different, so why not? And I got the dies. I just need some time to play. So there's that. Let's see. This one is Bloomin' Beautiful and the dies, and I believe these two together were $10. And let's see, the Beautiful Bellflower and Chrysanthemum, and so the Chrysanthemum has this how-to layering that came with it. Here is the it's very big. It is a big stamp set. And then it has the dies. That's $10. So that's just like, what in the heck? It's just crazy. Bellflower. Oh, is this just a flower on its own? I can't. And you kind of wonder, like, did I mess that up? Is there... I don't know. So this might make just a flower on its own. I will find out. I will see. We'll see. Then there's the Posy Perfection cover die. And this one, which is called Hello Sunshine. I think I got this because I wanted the Hello Sunshine, the wording. So, there you go. And then this giant, like, paper hug. And this hello. So, you know, what are you going to do for $5? And then this one I think was like 3 or 4. It was a little bit less. It didn't have the die, but I think these are easy to cut out. And I just liked the cute little simplicity of those. So that is what I got from Stamp Market. And everything, it was like more than 75% off, I want to say. It was like pretty insane. Okay, La La Land Crafts. So La La Land Crafts, I don't think I have my monthly kit. I actually got my monthly kit for free this month. Because she has a contest. Irina has a contest on her channel on Facebook. She has 2. She has the Club La La Land, and then I think they call it Kit of the Month now, and just her regular La La Land. And so you can put your suggestions of what you would like to see in the kit. And then if she picks your idea and makes a kit out of it, or she makes a kit out of it and it was your idea, whatever, then you get your kit for free. So I had put in tropical, and tropical Marcy was the theme. And so I got mine for free. It's not here though, I don't think. I think it's been shipped, but I just haven't gotten it. But whatever. I don't care. It's coming and I'm excited. So, very excited. On her channel and also like on her website, she has various different like retreats and classes and those sort of things. And so I did the Alice one, which I'll share with you guys because I did finally do the actual mini album for that. I'm like a mini album behind for those classes. And then she just did a Christmas in July, which I have done nothing for it. I'm not prepared for it. I've not done anything for it, but I think I'm going to just do them slowly because I think that's just the way it's going to be, and then I'll share them here. But I wanted a few things because you get a discount. I wanted a few things to get for those classes. So I did get the Starry Night paper, which I actually love, and then I got the Very Merry paper. I think the other paper is out of stock, but that's okay because I've got tons of other paper that I can use. And then some of the things that I got were some dies. So I got this postmark die and this wreath die and this tree and a lot of notebooks. I got this vase or a pot, and then I got this reindeer. So that is something I need to work on. So then all this stuff came and I just haven't. I'm going to open this. This is my summer box. So the summer box was a little bit late. Oh, maybe my kit is in here. Is it in here? Yes. So here's the kit of the month. We'll do that. So it all got shipped together, so that was smart. So the kit of the month is this one, and then this is what I was telling you is a tropical theme. So I'm going to pull it open so you can see it. The kits are a really good bargain. Okay, so you get quite a bit for your money. It's not cheap, but it's not expensive. It's kind of like right in there, you know. I think it's well worth it of what you get. So let me pull some things here. You can kind of see what it is. So you get Marcy, and then you get some critters and a bunch of sentiments, and usually you get, 3-ish dies. So you get this circle die, which she's done a bunch of circle dies, and you get these little tiki poles to make a tiki fire thingy, but you also can use it for a frame. And then you get dies to make this plumeria. And so I put it all in here because I am going to, I was like, oh, I didn't get my kit, but it was in here. So good thing I must have, did they get shipped together? They must have. So I did open this up. I wasn't paying attention, I guess. Okay, so now we're on to the summer box. So I got some little treats in here, which, I keep my craft room in desperate times. I got a little treat in here. So you get a little card that tells you everything that's going to be in your box, which I'm not going to worry about that. I know that this was the free gift, so if you pre-ordered, you got a free gift. In this case, you got these little candies. So the candy was the theme, and I adore every single thing that is in this release because these became part of the release. And then once they become part of the release, then you can buy them, and then there's additional items that are in the release. So yeah, I'm throwing some stuff away here. Okay, so let's get into this. So you get a sampler of paper. I forget what this paper is called. This paper is called Candy Shop. So you get a sampler of Candy Shop paper. You get 2 stencils, which is like candies, and then these are like little peppermint type ones. And then you get 2 clear stamp sets. I want to say it was 80 or $95, but it's like $132 MSRP, so you get a lot for your money. So you get these little fun troll, they look like little trolls to me, little troll candy people, and then you get these little panda people. I think they're pandas, and they're adorable, and I love this sweet right here. So you get those two, and then you get Candy Shop Marcy, which she is so pretty. I love her. And then you get some other stuff. You get this, which is the awning that you can decorate for a candy shop. You get these little bitty candies that you can, at least you can cut like a bunch of candies at one time. And then you get these different sized jars. So you get a lot of bang for your buck when you buy the kits and things like that. Anyway, I'm really excited about everything that I have. I'm actually going to spend some time putting things away. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crank the Heart.